Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Rengan. This is a video where we would be discussing about some of my personal favorites which I would definitely go back reading every single time I feel low, whenever I doubt myself and whenever I want to make myself feel more confident. There is no harm in telling that everybody feels low at some point of time in their life and nobody is going to be completely confident and 24/7 every single minute in their life. But what is more important is identifying the way to help you face that particular situation and cross that phase to make you feel a lot more happier, a lot more motivated and a lot more confident with who you are and what you do. So if you're watching me for the first time, welcome to this channel and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends because learning together is growing together, and also subscribe to this channel because I would highly recommend that and I would greatly benefit from that. Now if you've been following me for quite some time, you would be wondering why is she speaking in English. Two reasons. One, I wanted to film a book recommendation video for a very long time, and number two, I felt if I'm going to be suggesting English books, I would rather be filming it in English because it would help a lot more people. I also know that a lot of you are really interested in improving your English language. I'm not an expert in English, I'm not an English teacher, but I felt if this video is going to be in English and if you get a chance to watch this video, maybe it might help you out in your lifetime. If you're still sticking around till this, let's get right into the video. And the first book that I would highly recommend you to read any point of time in your life whenever you feel low is The Happiest Man on Earth by Eddie Jaco. This is an amazing book that I actually cried multiple times throughout this book, but at the end of the day, when you complete reading this book, you would feel how happy and how blessed you are with your life, and how you have to appreciate every single moment in your life. This is one book that that would make you stop questioning what is happening in your life and would definitely make you feel more confident with your situation. Second book that I would highly appreciate is You Are Too Good to Feel This Bad by Nate Dallas. This is an amazing book that I accidentally got to read, but I'm not complaining because this was so good. In fact, this is one book that makes sure that you have all your basics right before you go on to achieve your humongous goals. I know a lot of us have huge goals, but in attaining or in trying to achieve such huge goals, we almost always try to forget to keep our roots, to keep our core strong, to keep our basics right. So this book will help you remind yourself to be patient. Also make sure your core is strong, your basics are strong, your foundation is good, and that will help you feel confident about yourself and give you a green signal that you are going on the right path. The third book I would highly recommend is So Good So That They Cannot Ignore You by Dr. Carl Newport. He is one of my favorite authors and he never fails to amaze me with his amazing psychological tricks and tips. He is so good that he helps you understand what are the tips that you need to be following in your everyday life to feel confident. In fact, this is a book that's not just talking about yourself but also the psychological aspect of how people would view you and how you have to keep yourself so that people would actually take up and value you as you. It's very important to understand your value and also make sure people know and see your value, and in that way I really enjoyed this book and I would highly recommend you to read this book whenever you question yourself or whenever you feel very low in your life. The other book that you have to read if you are not motivated or if you're feeling so dull in your life is by Tony Robbins. The book is called Unlimited Power, and I'm very sure that you would have heard any one of the famous speeches of Tony Robbins. In fact, he is one of the most important life coaches who has been revolutionizing the life coaching industry. So just reading this book or watching any of his videos would definitely help you feel a lot better, and this is one book that would definitely help you understand what you have to do right now in order to stay happy and in order to improve yourself life. The last book that I absolutely love and would highly recommend you to read in a situation where you doubt yourself and you want to feel more confident about yourself is Love Yourself Like Your Life Depends on It by Kamal Ravikant. Now this is by the brother of the famous Naval Ravikant. This is an amazing book that I read by chance, and I'm not complaining because this book is so simple to read or listen to, but also gives you some concrete, positive, structured goals that you can actually achieve in your life, and also actions that you can take up to feel better about yourself and also make sure everybody else sees your changes. In fact, this is one such book that will make sure that you love yourself and also take care of yourself, not just physically but also emotionally, because that is a very important aspect to be taken care of if you're feeling low or if you doubt yourself and if you feel underconfident. These are the 5 books that I would highly recommend you to read any time in your life, because some books would definitely help you feel happier and it would make you feel better every single time you read them. So these are 5 such amazing books, and I'm very sure you would have a lot of fun reading them. If you have any other books that you would like me to read sometime in the future, you can leave them in the comments. And if you want to explore a lot of the other videos in my channel, I would highly recommend you to do that. But the thing is, it would all be in Tamil, so if you are convenient with Tamil, please go ahead and watch all the other videos that I have been uploading and go through the playlist, which has diverse topics that would definitely help you with some phase of your life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends, because learning together is growing together. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because it would mean a ton that you are enjoying this video. Until I meet you all in another brand new video, take care, stay safe, bye bye and happy reading.